Welcome to the Hologic Support Portal. From reports, service requests, and preventative maintenance, to user guides and quality control manuals, you can do or download it all. Start with the registration process. Navigate to support.hologic.com. Select the Request an Account link above the Sign-in button. Fill out the form and include your business email address. We cannot accept generic domains like @Gmail, @Yahoo, @iCloud, etc. Select a product of interest that corresponds to the type of Hologic products you use and interact with. Provide the serial numbers you'd like added to your profile. You can also let us know what you need in the comments. For example, I would like access to a whole health system. Submit the registration form. Expect a response within 2 business days. Once approved, you will be asked to activate your account and create a password. Now you're in. The portal has the self-service capabilities you need and is an easy alternative to phone support. Let's start with the home page. In the main area, you can access assets, service requests, and reports. In the top navigation bar, you can access Knowledgebase, Learning, Products, Service Requests, Assets, and Orders. On to the Assets page. You'll find a list of all assets your profile is linked to. If you need access to more assets, select the Request Additional Access button. You can refine your results by creating a favorites list or by searching with an asset serial number, location, or product type. Let's click into an asset for an example. Here, you'll find items related to this serial number, such as service requests, entitlements, orders, and quick links. You can also perform several tasks, like submitting an issue for this serial number, downloading field service reports, creating a service history, viewing preventative maintenance services, and creating a custom name. From My Asset Detail page, you can click into Preventative Maintenance or PM. View completed PM services here, and if your asset is under a contract, you can view upcoming PM services too. Here's an example. From the page, you can export PM data, generate PM history, and request PM service. You can access the Submit and Issue page from each individual asset page. Fill in various fields and track your issues with an overview of your case. Here's an example. Once you've submitted your case, you can view the details you entered, add a comment if you have a question or need follow-up, view the email sent regarding the case, or add an attachment like a PO or an image. You can also track the progress of your cases by navigating to the Service Requests section, which can be accessed from the top of the screen, Service Requests, or by selecting Track Your Issues under the Service Requests section on the home page. As a default, all of the service requests and cases you have open will be displayed, but you can toggle your list to view all open or closed service requests. The field service reports are easily accessible from the home page and can also be accessed from the System Detail page mentioned earlier. Select Asset Serial Number and use the search function for ease. Adjust the date range to view more cases as needed. Select Download Field Service Report for the desired case. You can also create a service history for your assets. This will place all of the field service report information you select into one document, making it easy to create a service history for a designated time frame. You can access the Knowledgebase from the home page. This is where you can find answers to FAQs and other technical content, such as user guides and QC manuals. Click on a category and search by article type. Click into an article for more info and to download attachments like this QC manual. Here's an FAQ. You can access the Learning page from the home page. In this section, you'll find all the documentation needed for on-site training and training videos. Click on a category or search to locate your training information. Click into an article for more info, to download training documents, or view training videos. Here's an example. You can access the Products page from the home page. Filter by My Products or All Products. Select a product to find associated quick links, learning, manuals, and trending articles. You can access the Orders page from the home page top navigation bar. This page displays orders for disposable products such as biopsy needles, assay kits, and capital equipment orders. You can filter by Recently Viewed Orders or View All Orders. Click into an order and get all of its pertinent details. Here's an example. You can also request a billing or shipping update. Please note that updates cannot be made once an order has a booked status. You can also check out our live chat option, which is available for breast and skeletal health users. You can access it anytime from the live chat header at the top of your screen. Live chat is always displayed regardless of what page you're viewing. Live chat with our specialists from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Let's talk FAQs. To register for an account today, please visit support.hologic.com and select Request an Account.